Good morning, Facebook world. Hey, guys. So I got my monthly Young Living box, which I always love to share here with you guys. So if you're not a fan of natural health or Young Living, you probably just want to keep scrolling and get off. But if you are, I got some things to prepare for back to school time. We all know back to school. My son is actually homeschooled, but he still goes to autism therapy. And so he's around other kiddos and around where germs are getting spread and things. So I like to have things prepared coming into back to school time, fall, winter, for immune support. So those are some of the things that I ordered this month. But we'll just get in and I'll tell you about what I got. So the first thing I got is the Thieves cough drops. These are amazing. They're actually a little pricey, even at the wholesale cost, but so worth it because when you're looking at a bag of cough drops, you're thinking, okay, like for me, if I go and buy Halls or something else like that, I can almost eat a whole bag of those in one feeling of sore throat or having a cough or being sick. And there's the red dye and fake, whatever, there's junk in there that you don't want, sugar and all that. These, I didn't know until I tried them. I literally only need like 1 to 3 in a day, so the bag lasts forever. I usually go through 2 every winter or every, fall to winter. But they've got the Power of Thieves oil. And there's clove and cinnamon in there. So it's really soothing, almost like, how sucrets would like numb your throat, except sucrets taste kind of nasty. These have cinnamon and they're really they taste pretty good. They don't have sugar, so they're sugar free. I believe they are sweetened with stevia and there's no coloring. So they're don't have all the junk in there. And I just love these. When you have a sore throat, scratchy throat, whatever, cough, these are amazing. And I have them on next month's order too, so I can be stocked up with them in case something comes our way. They're also really great if just at the first sign of a scratchy throat. I've had where I've done that, put one in and it doesn't continue on to anything because research Thieves oil and the power of it. It's pretty amazing. Okay, so here's some non-immune support things. I am trying the Kid Scent shampoo. Lennon just usually uses my shampoo. And I just thought, well, let's try this one. It's just a hair cheaper than the one that I use. And I figured maybe he would like it and it's cute. And I love the Kid Scent stuff, it's coming, honey. Remember, I'm doing a video, so... and then I refill his toothpaste. He loves the Kid Scent toothpaste. It's got an orange flavor, and it also has, I believe, some Thieves. Maybe it doesn't have Thieves in there. Oh yeah, it does have some cinnamon and different oils. Really good for teeth care without all the nasty toxic junk that's in most toothpaste. Doesn't have a warning that says do not swallow like most toothpaste have. Check out and research toothpaste because I think a lot of times we're using stuff in our mouth that isn't very good. I also restocked on my Copaiba vanilla conditioner. This is my favorite conditioner. If you can't tell, I have hair that's just dry and poofy and humongous, and this stuff just makes it more shiny and manageable. My pick runs right through it after I use it, and it's so concentrated that you only need a tiny little bit of it, and it's got none of all that junk like sodium lauryl sulfates and all the stuff. If you're into the natural health world and you're checking out the junk that's on the stuff in the shelves in the grocery store, it has none of that. It has all awesome stuff. I got a packet of the seedling wipes. These are amazing. We use them, Lennon uses them in the bathroom when he needs to, as opposed to flushable wipes or any other kind of wipe. And then they are also awesome for taking off makeup and just having to wipe off hands or things in the car. And same thing, none of the toxic chemicals that are in so many of the wipes that are out there. These smell amazing. And the quality of this wipe is you only need one, which is so cool. So those are something I always order. I'm going to always be ordering. We just kind of switched over to those from Lennon was using flushable wipes in the bathroom when he needed them. TMI, in case you guys want to know. The next thing I got, this is one of the things for kind of keeping things healthy and clean in our house is the Thieves foaming hand soap refill. So I just buy the 3-pack of the foaming hand soap and save the bottles, and then I refill with this. Definitely more cost effective, and I add water to it, so I actually can stretch it even more. And you guys, this was my first, Thieves hand soap was my first experience with Young Living. And so funny because I didn't know it was Young Living, but my chiropractor used this in their bathroom. And they also had a diffuser going, which I never, really put the two together that it was Young Living even until after like 6 months of me being in Young Living and using Young Living products. But I would go there and I seriously would just go to the bathroom just to wash my hands with their soap because my hands would smell like cinnamony and awesome for like the rest of the day. And so I remember being like, I love the soap at my chiropractor. And then when I finally tried it, I was like, oh my gosh, this is the chiropractor soap that I was like obsessed with. So Thieves, the power of Thieves is awesome. I buy the refill, refill up my foaming hand soap. Foaming hand soap is something that's super easy to make I'm just going to grab all these oil tubes and get this box out of here. Super easy to make with essential oils too. And then you're cutting out most antibacterial hand soaps that are out there are not so good for you. We're actually like building up immunity to the germs and things because people are overusing that stuff. Plus there's a lot of junk in there. So this is something, Inner Defense. I don't know if you can see that. Oh my gosh. This supplement, I swear by. I love the supplement. It has oils in here, vitality oils like clove, lemon, eucalyptus, rosemary, cinnamon, and thyme, oregano. Well, it has the Thieves blend, and that has thyme, oregano, lemongrass, and they're all grass oils generally regarded as safe by the FDA. And I take this at the first sign that I might be going below the wellness line, or if I'm around anyone who's not feeling well. It's just something that helps my own body's defenses kick in and my immune system to shoot up. So I don't take it every day. I only use it on the onset of feeling something coming on. And for me, this usually knocks it out, and I'm feeling above the wellness line, continuing on feeling good. So this is one that I have it on next month's order too, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to get 2 of them because I like to have it because we know in the winter we are around other people that are not feeling the best. The rest of them are oils, and I got some free ones because of my order, but a lot of these are for my friends. So I had a few friends order on my account, and I gave them free shipping and my wholesale account so they could just try a few things. So my one friend ordered some lavender vitality and Thieves vitality. Man, Thieves, you got to have it on hand in the fall, winter. Really, you should have it on hand at all times. The vitality is great in like some warm water as a soothing thing for your throat, or just to keep your immune system boosted. And lavender, this is vitality, but you can use it topically and other ways, and for sleep or in an Epsom salt bath. I know she's got a little guy, so she's probably going to be using that for calming, and lavender is so safe even for babies and little ones. So that was for a friend. And then another friend of mine added to my order, which is always so great. And it's nice for people to be able to try something. She got a big bottle of Thieves and a big bottle of eucalyptus. So she's planning, eucalyptus is so great for respiratory support, which we know we need going into the fall, winter months. And Thieves, I've already said what it's for. So she's getting prepared for going into the months too. I think everyone's in that mindset of like back to school, and it's good to have things on hand. The worst thing ever is to not be feeling well and then be like, oh man, I wish I had some Thieves. I wish I had some oregano. I wish that I had some inner support and Thieves cough drops and all that. So last are my freebies. So because of my order, Young Living is always so generous and they give so many freebies. So I got a 15 milliliter of wintergreen. This is amazing, has a nice cooling effect on any occasional tension, or if you're working out afterwards. It's also great for respiratory support, so good in the diffuser. Trying to think of what else. It just smells really good too for winter diffuser recipes. Wintergreen is a must-have. It's got like a fresh, kind of makes you think of like snow or things like that. So like wintergreen and pine is a great combo in the diffuser. Wintergreen and spruce during the Christmas season, instead of having nasty, toxic room fresheners. And then Ravinsara, which I'm really excited about. I actually have never ordered this oil. This is another one that's great for occasional muscle tension. It's great for respiratory support as well. And it's also known, I believe it's known as camphor sometimes. So if you're familiar with the oil camphor, it's in a lot of different like pain relieving balms that you can buy at the health food store and stuff. So it's really awesome that way. And then spearmint. And spearmint is really awesome in the diffuser mixed with like all different oils. Lime, peppermint, another great one to add to winter diffuser recipes. But spearmint vitality is great in like your hot chocolate or in a tea. And spearmint is obviously refreshing to your mouth and things like that. So this is not the vitality, but they have a vitality of it as well. So got 3 awesome free oils, which is always great. And yeah, that's my box. So I hope you guys enjoyed unboxing with me and learning a little bit about some of the things that you can use for immune support and back to school stuff. If you're jumping in at the end, you can always replay it. And yeah, if you guys ever want to add to my order because you just are curious and you want to try 1 or 2 things, I love Young Living so much. I order every month. Sometimes I order in between. We've completely ditched all the toxins in our home, and I love that. I feel so good about the things I use, and they work awesome too. It's not just like, you are buying the stuff and it's non-toxic, which I've tried at the health food store sometimes, and you're like, not so great, but I'll use it because I'm trying to be healthier. No, everything I try with Young Living, I'm just like blown away. Their skincare is awesome, everything. Their hair care, my hair is in the best shape it's ever been because of Young Living stuff. And I used to work in salons and tried all the expensive stuff. So anyway, if you ever want to add to my order, let me know, because sometimes you just want to try one thing, and I'm always willing to extend my wholesale account like once or twice to people so they can try something. Otherwise, I can always hook you up so you can get your own, and you don't have to order through me like it's not like Avon. You can just get your own wholesale account and get the stuff for personal use, and you don't have to share like I do. I know I love to share because I want people to get rid of chemicals in their house and to start using healthier things and to see the amazing power of essential oils. I feel like I'm always hashtagging God made plants amazing, and he did. They all have awesome components and constituents in them when they're made and diffused or distilled properly. They are just amazing. So anywho, I can always hook you up is what I'm saying. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Enjoy the beautiful weather, and yeah, bye.